Now we'll come to the second scenario. This is case of replacement. Means any of the liquid just will take, for easy sake, same milk water ratio. Then replacement of liquid by pure milk or water. One thing is sure here, volume is constant. If you are replacing means volume will be constant. Volume will not change. Like example we'll take, it will give more clarity. How much liquid to be replaced by pure milk to change from 15% to 32%. Other data I kept same to get the confidence for your method of understanding this all complicated scenario. Like 15, 32, 100. We are adding the pure milk. Existing was 15. We made it 32. Ratio will become 4:1 only. But here, case of replacement, we will take 4x plus x equal to 100 because volume is constant. Volume is constant. Volume is not changing. How much liquid we are taking out from this mixture of 15% concentration, same amount of volume you are putting the pure milk. That much only we are doing. मिक्सचर है, उसमें से थोड़ा सा निकाल लिए, इधर बाहर कर दिए, सेम उतना में भर के प्योर मिल्क हम ऐड कर दिए. करेक्ट? क्या हो गया इससे? जितना निकाले थे उतना ही ऐड हो गया. मीन्स नेट वॉल्यूम इज नॉट चेंजिंग. बट लास्ट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड? वी हैव डन द एडिशन. Due to we have taken 4x equal to 1000. Correct? Now we are taking the 5x equal to 1000. Then factor multiplication will change. X will equal to 200. Earlier we got 250. Now we got 200. Means this will come 800:200. Means to make 15% milk water mix 15% mixture of milk and water to 32%, you have to replace by 200 liter by pure milk. But if you want to add, then 250 liter you have to add. But if you want to replace, 200 liter only will be sufficient. Okay, means 200 liter if you have to replace, then you will get the new mixture that will be 32% concentration. Again, the same thing can be iterative also or repetitive in nature. Now, just will try to elaborate little bit more to go in little more depth to understand the cat level question. This replacement of liquid, if you are just replacing, then two type of situation can be arise. One is concentration as given and you have to find the volume or volume ratio, any of the things. How much volume replaced, and after replacement what is the volume of the milk, what is the volume of milk in that mixture, or what is the volume of water in that mixture. Means volume or volume ratio, both can be. Or another way, if volume is given, you have to find the concentration. Both of the situation can be.